The second problem says there are 2 green marbles, 4 red marbles, and 5 blue marbles in a bag. Green equals $10, red equals $2, and blue equals $3. Find the expected payout if you draw 1 marble from the bag. If the game costs $5 to play, is it worth it? So let's find the expected value of drawing a marble from a bag, or how much money I would make on average. That's what an expected value is. So what we need to do is we need to fill out the value and find the probability of the value. Let's start with the green marbles. So for the green marbles, it says that there's 2 green marbles in the bag, and there's 2 plus 4 plus 5 blue marbles in the total bag. That's 11 total marbles. Therefore, the probability of getting a green marble, assuming that we randomly pick one, that's just 2 out of 11. And the value of a green marble is $10, as it defines it in the problem there. Now let's go to the red marble next. It says that a red marble will give you $2. And how many red marbles are there? There's 4 red marbles out of 11 total ones. Therefore, the probability of picking it is 4/11. And finally, we can move on to the blue marbles. It says that a blue marble will give you $3, and there's 5 of these. Therefore, the probability of drawing a blue marble is 5 out of 11. Now, what we can do is we can just use the formula, which is just multiply the value by the probability of getting that value and then add everything up. Let's do that. So first, I'm going to do the green part. That's 2/11 times $10. Next up, we have to do 4/11 times $2 for the red marble expected value. Finally, we have 5/11 times $3. And now let's just compute these and add them up. So I'm just going to do this all in green here. So for the first part, 2 out of 11 times 10, that's about 1.818. And then 4/11 times 2, that's just about 0.727. And then 5/11 times 3, that's about 1.090. And then if you add all these up, I'm just going to round it to the hundredths place since we're dealing with money here. That's about $3.64. So therefore, the expected value of money that I would make when I draw a marble in this game is $3.64. Now, the second part of the question says, if the game costs $5, is it worth it? Well, think about it like this. On average, you're earning $3.64 each time you draw a marble, but that is less than the $5 it costs to play this game. Therefore, on average, it might not be a good idea to play this game. So the answer is no. That's not to say that you're going to lose money every single time, because it's true that on some of the draws, you might get lucky and choose a $10 green marble, but on average, you're likely to lose money. That's what this means here when it says that $3.64 is less than $5. So on average, no, you probably should not play this game.